In this video, I'll show you how to autosave Telegram photos to gallery. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational content like this. Now, what you need to do basically, I want to show you something now. If you head over right up, you can see that before this image is going to load up, right? I'm going to need to download it. So if I click on it, I'm going to wait for it to first and download before I can see what's in the image. But once this autosave feature is turned on, you won't even wait to download an image, right? So to autosave images, what we're gonna do right now, like you turn it on automatically, click on this, click on settings. Once I've clicked on settings, click on data and storage. You can see it auto download, right? If you turn this on, each image you pass through is gonna download automatically, right? Download automatically. So once you have turned that feature on, you're going to refresh your Telegram, and once you have refreshed your Telegram, any image, right, or any image basically that you come across, right, while scrolling on your Telegram, you can see it automatically download, right, to download automatically to your gallery. So if you found this video helpful, please share those in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.